Hi guys, in this video I will teach you about your average formula, and also here we can see that the name and salary are in one cell. So first I have split this one and then we can calculate their average. So first we can select this column and drag like this. Here we can see that the second step is we can select this column and press alt plus H. Here we can type space and star, and then we can replace all and then OK, and then we can remove this one. So here we can see that only name are right. The next one is we can select this column and press alt plus H. Here we can remove this one and type star and space and replace all and then OK, and then we can remove this page. Here we can see that only salary are right. So how to calculate their average formula like this? So we can write equal and write average and bracket and select this column and bracket close and enter. So the average number are calculated here. We can see that. Thank you for watching this video.